Is your iPhone stuck on the Apple logo, frozen on a black screen, or the iOS update screen, or other lag issues? If your device isn't working properly, flashing your iPhone might be the solution. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to safely flash your iPhone. Let's get started. Method 1. Flash iPhone using Finder or iTunes. Official method. First, put your iPhone into recovery mode. The button combination depends on your model. Taking iPhone 8 and newer models as examples, quickly press volume up. Quickly press volume down. Then press and hold the side button. Keep holding until you see the recovery mode screen. Once connected, a pop-up will appear on your computer. Choose Restore iPhone. Then confirm again. Wait while the system downloads and installs the latest iOS. Your device will restart automatically once finished. Method 2. Use a professional iOS repair tool. You can use a professional iOS system repair tool. These tools can flash firmware automatically, fix system errors, guide you step by step, sometimes repair without data loss, standard mode. This is helpful for beginners who don't want complicated button combinations. Now let me show you how simple the process actually is. First, connect your iPhone to your PC, then click iOS System Repair. Choose Standard Repair Mode. This mode will not cause any data loss. Wait for a while until the process is complete, and your iPhone will work again. You can also choose Deep Repair Mode. This mode performs a deeper system repair, erases all data, and restores your iPhone to factory settings. It's recommended for serious system problems like boot loops, major crashes, or when your device is completely unresponsive. After the repair is finished, your iPhone will restart like a brand new device. Method 3. Flash iPhone via 3U-Tools. Go to the official 3U-Tools website, then download and install the software on your Windows PC. Then put your iPhone into recovery mode. After entering recovery mode, connect your iPhone to the computer. Wait until the device information appears in 3U-Tools. Choose Go Flash. Then choose the firmware version you want, and confirm your selection. Click Flash. Wait for the flashing process to complete. Your iPhone will restart automatically once finished. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and fixes.